Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL TAB 10 generation D2nd, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Accounts and click on Add Account. Now select Google and mark if it's an adult or a teenager account or a child. So as long as it is yours, choose the first option, and if it's for your kiddo, select the second one. So now let's enter your account name, like email or phone number. And tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. So let me re-enter it, as I forgot to provide the latest password. Click on next, wait a couple of seconds, and now you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Then click on I agree. Click on accept, and that's it, your account has been added. Then if you want to remove this account, just open it and then mark remove account. Confirm it by tapping on remove account. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.